What's up, guys? Welcome to Ghost Jump Gaming, and we're gonna hop straight into how to use the new Byte app. Alright guys, so we're gonna be moving kind of fast, so feel free to pause and rewind to rewatch any spots. I value your time, so let's just go and teach you what we know right now. Okay, after you download the app, find the icon on your home screen and go ahead and click it. Yours might look different because I already customized mine on the options inside, and I'll show you how to do that. So you click it, you should see something like this, right? An option to sign in with Google, and I think some people have options to sign in with Apple as well. I signed in with Google. You just type in your email. Yes, I'm gonna use that. I want to use Google, or allow it to use Google. You type in your email, and then from there, it's gonna ask you your password, just like you were signed into your Google account. I already signed in, so I'm sure that my password's already in there. Awesome. Right, so it'll take you right to the home screen, and what you're seeing here is stuff that Byte already retweeted, or Byte tweeted itself. You probably want to see this. You're probably gonna see some cool, vibey, colorful thing for like your first, I guess, site, because you haven't liked anything, you haven't checked out any pages, so they don't have any info on you. So we're gonna keep moving though. This is the home screen, right? The bottom icon, the next one to the right, is the search bar. This is where you can type in usernames to find anyone you might want to see, or you can browse different categories. Right? Pretty simple there, straightforward. The middle icon is gonna be where you can create. Pick my phone up. You guys are on the Vans box. But yeah. The next, we're gonna go back just so we don't go into that just yet. The next icon is gonna be the little lightning bolt, and this is your activity. This is where people have liked your stuff, have followed you. You'll be able to see that. All right, sweet. The next icon is gonna be your little human guy body thing. So this is your profile. This is where you can find those options, like I said, the customized stuff and all that kind of things. But let's go back to our first tutorial on how to use or how to make a Byte, right? So let's say I was recording. I'm just gonna press this middle button here. You'll see the little blue bar showing you how much time you got left. Remember, all videos are only 6 seconds. So when it comes to recording something else, you know, you're going to record something else. If you want to delete a piece, you just press the little X, and it'll turn up the last segment a color. You can chip it off by pressing the button again. In the middle, you can add media. So let's say you wanted to add like another clip or something like that. All your bytes saved to your phone. So alright, that's that. Let's see, the ghost lets you know where you were last. So as you can see on this white wall, my last frame that I recorded was you guys. So if you wanted to go back and like do a cool transition or something like that, ending back on it, you know, it'll kind of give you a guiding frame or whatever. All right, now the far left, this is just the camera. This is just how you turn around to record. All right, so let's go back. All right, so lastly, let's turn ghost off. That far right picture little icon, that's just where you can add media again. So it seems like they have two options to do that there. If you wanted to post it, you press the arrow at the top right. You can add it to a category. Okay, that's our little recording. You can add it to a category, right? If you don't want to do that, that's cool too. You can type a caption in, you know, like any other social media platform, and then you can post it at the bottom right. But we're not posting this, so let's go ahead and back up. Hit that X, close and delete. All right, now remember, from the home screen or wherever you are, the far right, the little icon, that's gonna be your profile. So to edit your profile, you of course click the top. You have different colors you can mess with. You can flip the tones by double tapping the color. Mine was here. I really like that. All right, let's go back in there. You can upload your profile picture here. As you can see, your username is going to ask you that in the beginning on creating your username and stuff. Display name, and then about section. This is where you can put little, you know, a couple words about who you are or whatever, quirks, kind of stuff like that. And then you can also, of course, find your bytes that you've already placed. And just to make sure I almost forgot to show you guys. Okay, so if you click the little arrow down by the comment bubble, this will allow you to get to the menu where you can share, rebyte, or flag videos. And to get to that little segment where you can customize your profile a little more, it's the little 3 dots by the edit profile. It'll open up this menu here. And this allows you to access the deactivate logout option or the change app icon feature, which gives you the different colors like I was explaining in the beginning of this video. All right. There's a few other things in there that I don't really know about, so I didn't want to go in there and try to like find it out. I want to make sure you guys got to know exactly what I knew worked already. If you guys are familiar with Vine already, it was a super fun, just quick, quirky kind of app. 6 seconds, you have to be creative as possible. It's cool to see that come back. I'm gonna try to use Byte the best I can to just continue to get my personality in front of people, get some of my gaming stuff in front of people, my music, my jokes, all that. It's just an opportunity to be discovered as a content creator. So I really appreciate you guys clicking this video, hitting that like button, and subscribing if you want. It just helps me really kind of get this content thing off the ground. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comments. If you're a fan of video games, feel free to stick around on the channel. Definitely subscribe. All right, that wraps it up. Go make some bites.